lang po with regards to rental businesses.
Meron tayong tinatawag na BRRRR strategy. B stands for buy. You buy a property, the rental property to be exact. It may be boarding house, townhouse, apartment, house and lot, condo. Basta ang logic mo is bumili ka ng isang property with the intention na ipaupa mo siya. Sa buy na part, you can maximize the bank's amortization or you can use your own money. And then, you rent. Pag maganda na yung unit, iparent mo siya kaagad. But what if pangit yung townhouse, pangit yung bahay? Mabili mo siya at a lower price, but before you rent it out, dapat gawin mo muna siya yung isang letter R, which is renovate. Pag may umuupa na, ibig sabihin kumikita na yung property mo. What if na fully paid mo na yung property? At gusto mo pang bumili ng isa pang property na rental unit ulit. Ang gawin mo, refinance. Bumili ka, you buy. You renovate, pinaganda mo. Rent, so may kumikita ka na ng pera. Yung title ng property mo, pwede mo yan siyang isangla sa bangko. Tanungin mo, magkano ba yung mabigay mo sa amin based on the valuation of the property? Ang gagawin ng bangko is ipa-appraise pa nila yung property. Pupuntahan lang niya ang appraiser, i-evaluate magkano yung property value. Let's say, abot siya ng 3 million pesos. Bibigyan ka ng 80 to 90% of the total value. 80% of the 3 million, that's 2.4 million pesos. Yung 2.4, ipautang yan ng bangko sa'yo. Ang gagawin mo dyan sa 2.4, hahanap ka ulit ng ibang property na pasok sa budget mo. Balik ka ulit dun sa buy, i-renovate mo ulit yung property, yung pangalawang property mo, then ipa-rent out mo na siya. Pag natapos mo na bayaran yung pangalawang property, dalawa na yung property mo na fully paid. I-refinance mo ulit para magamit mo naman yung pera to purchase another property. Kaya siya BRRRR strategy: buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat. Uulitin mo lang yung process. You are leveraging the money that you get from the banks and you make more because you have more properties that you're managing. Only if your property is earning more compared to the monthly amortization sa bangko. Eventually, yung income mo sa rental, passive income mo na yun lahat.